Want to generate more real estate leads without relying only on paid ads? In this video, I'll show you how to build a real estate marketing funnel in System.io that helps you collect leads and turn them into potential buyers or sellers. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Real Estate Lead Funnel, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. This funnel will collect contact information from people interested in buying or selling property. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a professional landing page template. Replace the headline with an attractive offer, such as download the free home buyer's guide or get a free home valuation today. Add a short description explaining how the guide or consultation will help visitors. Step 3. Customize the landing page by adding a professional photo of yourself or your agency, images of featured properties or neighborhoods, 3 to 5 benefits of working with you, client testimonials, an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name, email address, and phone number, a call to action button such as Get My Free Guide or Request a Free Valuation. Step 4. Create a thank you page that thanks visitors for requesting your guide or valuation. Use this page to explain the next steps, such as when they'll receive the guide or when you'll contact them. If your email system is configured, you can automatically deliver the guide and follow up with additional real estate tips and property updates. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test every step. Submit the form yourself to confirm that your thank you page loads correctly and that your lead information is being captured. And that's it. You've created a real estate marketing funnel in System.io. If you'd like to build professional funnels, landing pages, and websites for your business, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.